What's up guys, it's me Geek. So now let me show you the Huawei Music app. Go to the Huawei Music. This is not that great, it's acceptable to be honest with you. There's advertisement whenever I open. If you wanna play your own music, you have to go to me. You just cannot jump to album, you have to click all songs. From here you can jump to the albums. It's a little bit tricky to be honest with you. So this is the Huawei Music app. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and buy. There's not much to show here. Maybe I can play the song. I can make a ringtone out of it. I can make a small volume to send on WhatsApp. There's some cool features. Don't get me wrong, this is a really very cool feature. But I don't know why I don't like it. Was me, Geek. Check out the links in the description box. Bye bye.